How do you describe communities in English? Well, the smallest place is a hamlet, then you have a village, then you have a town, and then you have a city. Now, in most countries in the world, a city is called a city because it is larger than a town, and this is usually the case in English. But in actual fact, in English, the definition, or at least in England, the definition of a city isn't so much a big community as a big community which has a cathedral. And we have this rather strange situation in Britain that there is a village in Wales called St David's, and it only has a few hundred inhabitants, but because it has a cathedral, it is referred to as a city. Now, you could be forgiven for thinking that London is a city, but that is only part of the story. There are two Londons. There's the City of London, which is the old Roman city and now the financial capital of Britain, if not the world. And this has St Paul's Cathedral, and therefore that is a city in its own right. But when people talk about the City of London, they are only referring to that part of London. For the rest of London, they usually use the expression town, which is bizarre given that it has a population of 8 million people. And it consists of the City of London, the City of Westminster, which is central London, where the Parliament is and most of the other important buildings and institutions, and then all the outer boroughs. But whenever you talk about London in English, the whole of London, you normally refer to it as a town and not a city. This is very confusing, I know. Many English people find this hard to understand.